from the young age, people who oppose you, people whom you think are against you, it will not be some top big guys like a prime minister, president of the country is opposing you. The mitai wala who sells candy in your street corner, all your enemies will be only that level. You gave 50 paise, he gave candy only for 45 paise and 5 paise he cheated you. These are the complaints you will start developing in your life. When you start building the idea that some enemies you have, some people are cheating you, some are exploiting you, slowly, your over remembrance about them makes you shrink and stop you deciding in your continuous expansion. That is why in our Gurukul I said, even getting the fruits and eating in the garden, our Rishi Advait was telling, we will get all the mangoes and serve them one day in the lunch or dinner. I said, have you eaten like that when you were a child? When you steal and eat only it is tasty. Not when it is served for everyone. So have more trees. Kids can, now we don't even need to use the word stealing. You see, it's like if it is banned and they do it, only then it is called stealing. Because no other way I use the word stealing, we should not even use the word stealing for our kids. Because we never ban them. I only tell them, tell your tree, let it give 10 times more mango and all of you enjoy, that's all. So there is no question of stealing. Because they are the owners, they are the inheritors. So it is their own father's property. You can't even use the word stealing. But anyhow, we always feel tasty when we directly pluck and eat, share only with the people with whom we love. That's a kind of a pattern with which we start growing, that is okay. Anyhow, listen, the idea I am trying to convey to you, the over remembrance of enemies and the enmity constantly tires you. It is like the AC machine is switched on even when you are traveling somewhere else. Even when you are away, the AC machine is running whole day and night. When you enter the room, it will be repaired. You have gone away 2 years somewhere and the AC machine is switched on and it is constantly running day and night. And if it is constantly running, whether you are there or not, when you come back, the machine will be repaired and you won't have any cooling effect. Please listen, that is exactly we are doing with our inner space. The over remembrance of enmity and enemy uses all your energy constantly, and when you really need power, you don't have. Like AC machine used all the time, when you really need it, will not work, will not be useful. The constant remembrance of enmity and enemy will do the overwork of the inner space. When you really need power, you won't have it. Please listen. The constant remembrance of enemy or enmity damages your inner space so much, even for a small decision, you have to go through so much to come to the conclusion.